English check. How much does cost equals?
Kolik stojí?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly pocket coach for languages. Before we dive in, grab more free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today your mission is simple. Master, how much does cost in Czech, aka
Kolik stojí?
Let's make your wallet proud. Your goal today. Stay with me for a few minutes, and you'll confidently ask for prices like a pro traveler. Source phrase. How much does cost? Target phrase.
Kolik stojí?
Remember.
Kolik
Equals how much.
stojí?
Equals costs, and the dots mean the item. Break it down. Let's zoom in on the words, tiny parts, big power.
Kolik
Equals how much.
stojí?
Equals costs, from the verb.
Stát.
Equals to cost. Add the item. How much does the apple cost?
Kolik stojí jablko?
Just pointing works too. Point, smile, say.
Kolik stojí?
Mini market dialogues. Time for quick, funny dialogues. Repeat after me. You, excuse me.
Promiňte, kolik stojí ten šátek?
Vendor.
Stojí 200 korun.
It costs 200 crowns. You, nice. You.
Kolik stojí káva?
Barista.
Stojí 60 korun, 60 korun českých.
You, whispering to a vending machine.
Kolik stojí?
Machine prints. Affordable, if you ask nicely. You.
Je to drahé.
Is it expensive? Vendor.
Není, je to levné.
No, it's cheap. You.
Mohu platit kartou.
Can I pay by card? Vendor.
Ano, můžete.
Vocabulary pit stop. Lock in the must-know words. Say them out loud. Price equals.
Cena.
Expensive equals.
Drahý.
Cheap equals.
Levný.
Money equals.
Peníze.
How much equals.
Kolik.
To cost equals.
Stát.
Currency equals.
Koruna.
KC. Core phrase again.
Kolik stojí?
Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm and speak with a smile, it really helps. Clap clap, pause, clap, chant.
Kolik stojí?
Hum a quick jingle. Da 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 da, then say.
Kolik stojí?
Don't mix these up. Two similar phrases, very different missions, price versus time versus place. Price.
Kolik stojí?
How much does cost? Time.
Kolik je hodin?
What time is it? Location.
Kde je?
Where is? Repeat the price 1-3 times.
Kolik stojí? Kolik stojí? Kolik stojí?
Quick quiz time. You've got this. Answer fast and confidently. Q. In Czech, how do you ask, how much does cost? A.
Kolik stojí?
Q. Say, is it expensive? A.
Je to drahé.
Q. Say, can I pay by card? A.
Mohu platit kartou.
Q. What's the word for price? A.
Cena.
Q. Complete. It costs 200 crowns. A.
Stojí 200 korun.
Culture tip. Czech crowns. Tiny tip. Big savings when you travel. Prices in the Czech Republic are in
Koruna.
KC. If you're unsure, point and ask.
Kolik stojí?
First, then decide if it's
Drahý.
or.
Levný.
Smiling helps your
Peníze.
go further. Bonus memory trick. Imagine a giant price tag that lights up when you say
Kolik stojí?
your challenge. Make it real today, tiny reps, big gains. Say the full English Czech pair out loud. How much does cost equals?
Kolik stojí?
Pick 3 items around you and practice.
Kolik stojí káva? Kolik stojí lístek? Kolik stojí ten suvenýr?
High five your future self each time you ask.
Kolik stojí?
Goodbye from Synapse Lingo. You did great today, your budget applauds you. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. How much does cost equals?
Kolik stojí?
Whenever you shop. For more bite-sized lessons, games, and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, Language Hero.